Hi kiddos, it's Mr. Zunig again. I hope you're ready for Phonics, 4th graders. Today we'll be learning a new topic. It's vowel sounds. I know you're familiar with them. Today we'll be just getting into a deeper level on vowel sounds. So how about you go get in your book, your word studies, All-Star Word Studies, which is your phonics book. Grab it and also get a hold of a pencil, eraser, sharpener, and something up to your taste to decorate, like coloring pencils, markers, or gel pens. And let's work on page 27. It's this one with these pictures. Okay, as usual, we're gonna have a heading for that. Let me tell you, it's Unit 2, it's a new unit. Why is there a new unit, Mr. Zuniga? Because we are in the second bimester today. Second bimester. The first quarter is over. It's the second bimester now. So, what's the day that's gonna be the heading for this page? Print this. Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Don't forget to capitalize. Don't forget to use punctuation marks. And don't forget to match the number with the ordinal number, 12. Okay, with that said, let's continue. What are we gonna do on page 27? It's this one. We're gonna work on page 27. Mr. Zuniga will read the poem for you. Once I said, I want you to repeat after me. So you read after Mr. Zuniga, okay? Are you ready? Let's do this. Unit 2. Vowel sounds. Exploring the world. How will you travel? Will you sail across an ocean? Will you take a train? Will you drive in a car? Will you fly in a plane? From city to country to continent. The world is a really big space. You should take a map with you. That way you won't miss a place. Would you start with somewhere close? Or would you go as far away as possible? Would you go there all by yourself? Or would your friends make it incredible? Your friends make it incredible. Okay, kids, there's a question at the end. So what's in your mind when you read this and see that picture? Where would you like to explore? Would you like to explore somewhere? What kinds of maps would you take with you? Would you like to take some map? I'm 100% sure you'd like to explore a map in Minecraft or Fortnite. But is there something in real life you'd like to explore? I'd like to explore Petra in Jordan. I'd like to explore the maze of the Minotaur in Crete. What would you like to explore? Okay, kids, part of the homework is that you read a stanza. A stanza is 4 lines. A stanza is 4 verses. You can read this stanza, or this stanza, or this stanza. Sometimes they are not 4, but more. So you can pick these, or this to read it to Mr. Zuniga. You will send a voice note about that, okay? So that was the poem you had to read for me today. Okay. Pause the video whenever you need to. If you need to repeat the poem, just feel free to do it. And let's continue now. It's time to move on page 29, the one I was showing you before. Okay, this one. Let's work on that. We're gonna have a short review on short vowel sounds. Let me undo that brightness. So we'll review short vowel sounds. Yeah, because that was a topic last year. So we're gonna do the part that says find it. Mr. Zuniga will say the name for each picture, the name of each picture, and the matching answer. Okay? So be ready. It's gonna be like a dictation, but don't panic. At the end, we'll recap to make sure everybody understands. So be ready for number one. I'm gonna say the name of the picture. The name of the picture is fan. And we have three options. We have shift, fill, crack. So fan has the same vowel sound as, crack. If you said crack, you're right, you're a crack. Okay, so number two, we go straight. Question and answer. Number two, cup, pump. Cup, pump. Okay, number three, mop, muss. Mop, muss. Number four, pen, bench. Pen, bench. Okay, let's recap. So what were the answers, Mr. Zuniga? I couldn't catch up. Okay, catch up now. Here are the answers. So number one, fan, crack. Number two, cup, pump. Number three, mop, muss. Number four, pen, bench. Okay, we're about to finish. So let's continue on the next exercise. It's the one that says solve it. Mr. Zuniga will read the question and the answers. Question and its answer. And the answers are the ones on top of the telescope, of the nautical or antique telescope. Possible answers go from mast, travel, cabin, paddle, and ships. Okay, so be ready. It's gonna be like a dictation. Ready? Here we go. Number five. I'll start with the question and then the answer. Okay, I'll read the question and then the answer. Number five. The place where the ship's captain sleeps. Okay, that's a cabin. Cabin. Number six. A tall pole that supports the ship's sails. That's a mast. 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 Number seven. What explorers do. Travel. Travel. Number eight. Number seven. There's something. Sorry. It's number eight. Another name for an oar. Paddle. 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 Number nine. The Niña, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria were, that's obvious, huh? Ships. Yes, you're just right. Let's recap just in case. So number five, the place where the captain sleeps is the cabin. It's not only the captain. Number six, the long things that support the sails are the masts. The explorers do travel. The name for the oar, for the remo, paddle. La Niña, la Pinta, y la Santa Maria, they are ships. Okay, ships. Okay, that was all for today. Remember the homework. You're gonna send me a voice note, un audio, picking four stanzas or picking one stanza or four verses, and you read it to Mr. Zuniga. And also send me a photo of page 29 on WhatsApp so I can check your notes on that page. That'll be all. I hope you have a wonderful day. Best wishes. Regards. Bye-bye.